Hi, I'm Antonio, and I would like to discuss with you environmental advocacy and activism. Allow me to begin by answering the question, what is environmental advocacy and activism? Environmental advocacy and activism are socio-political processes by an individual or group with the aim of influencing public policies on environmental matters, issues, and concerns. I would like to highlight that an environmental advocacy need not be a group effort, but can also be done individually. Before we proceed further, let us first talk about the causes of environmental problems. The causes of environmental problems are greed and apathy, which are social problems, the inequitable distribution of benefits from natural resources, which is an economic problem, and graft and corruption in both government and the private sectors, which are political in nature. On top of the social, economic, and political causes of environmental problems, the single biggest cause is the very low level of awareness on environmental issues and concerns, caused by ignorance and the lack of education. The contention that the low level of awareness is not without empirical knowledge and data. 2 years ago, I, together with students of Master of Environment and Natural Resources Management from the University of the Philippines Open University, conducted a quantitative and qualitative survey and study on the level of awareness on environmental issues and concerns. The results were not too encouraging. So why is environmentalism not popular in the Philippines? Environmentalism is not that popular in the Philippines because there is too little knowledge and information going around regarding the environment. And because of poverty, Filipinos are too consumed by livelihood concerns than environmental issues. As a solution, more information about the environment should be transmitted to a greater number of Filipinos as possible. In designing an environmental advocacy campaign, the following questions must be addressed. What is the problem? Who are the target audience? What are the objectives? What is the specific advocacy strategy? What is the message? Where will funding come from? So what is the problem? The problem is crafting a workable environmental advocacy strategy to solve the lack of knowledge and awareness among the general public. Who are my key audience? My key audience are people within my circle of influence, family, friends, associates, and social media netizens. What are my objectives? First, increase the level of knowledge and awareness on environmental issues. Second, encourage total belief and commitment to environmentalism. Third, promote a sustainable, structured, and organized approach to environmental advocacy. Fourth, create critical mass. And fifth, influence public policy pertaining to the environment. What is my specific advocacy strategy? My specific strategy is the information, education, and communication approach. What is my message? My message is along the lines of sustainable environmental management, which means the protection, preservation, and development of natural resources for the future generations. Logistical support is a big problem in any undertaking. So where will funding come from? It should be noted that social media remains to be the most cost-effective means in pursuing an environmental advocacy. This is the reason why I use social networking sites such as Facebook. I also continually publish pro-environment materials in a Facebook community page called Pro-Earth Crusaders. I also publish daily blogs in my blog site. My blog readers come from 54 countries all over the world. 2/3 of my blog readers are based in the United States and the Philippines, while the other third from the rest of the world. So far, I have published more than 280 articles in my blog site. In closing, please allow me to mention in brief the essential components of an environmental advocacy. These are knowledge about environment and natural resources management, a firm belief that what we are doing is for the good and the benefit of the present and future generations, and total and absolute commitment to the concept of environmentalism. On this note, please allow me to say thank you.